Yeah, look. Still pretty. Ayan. For those interested, this is two-way bag. Ayan siya. Para siyang sa Moore na ewan ko. Basta yun ang ano. Pero hindi ko alam yung pangalan niya ha. Huwag yun na akong piliting ipakilala. Ayan. Papakita ko lang kung ano yung kanyang quality. So details para sa video later. Ayan. Edge corner, no flows on the edge. Ayan. Ayan siya. Maganda. And this is in two-way type. Yung kanyang handle still in good condition. Ayan. Ayan. And this is in two-way. Meron siyang outside zipper pocket. Outside zipper pocket meron siya. And all the edges is still in good shape. Yeah. All the edges is still in good shape. And the metal still shining, mga